Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. It is Thanksgiving Day, and so we have kind of a different video for you right now. I have a house full of family, and I am probably the happiest I've been in a very long time. A lot of you folks may know that I am single, been that way, wow, for 10 years. Time flies. Yeah, but I am blessed right now because I have my mother's here for Thanksgiving, her husband is here for Thanksgiving, my father-in-law, and my daughter and her husband and my grandson, and I also have my sister and Lori. They are here as well. So we got a house full of family, and this is kind of what happened when they wanted to come outside and see some cars. Okay, here's another special edition of a Monkey Wrench Mike video. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
What did you say, 90?
Look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing.
Oh, no.
Okay, guess what? You recognize that guy and that gal? You recognize them? Mama Monkey Wrench. Yeah.
This is the first one we've seen that actually made some sense. This is a nice automobile.
This white one?
Yeah, it's not a piece of junk like the main things you've got brought home.
Like that one?
Oh, that's a nice one.
And that one?
Oh, that's not good. That one over there, we remember.
You remember?
That's the one that still got your oil in my driveway from.
Yes.
I
It
remember
marked
that.
your house like a dog. Marks its territory.
Your car's insulted good dog.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh.
I can see 4.
Well, if we weren't
Okay.
Okies, we could count higher, but it's got more than 5, Mom.
What
Yeah.
others?
Well,
Which probably violates their zoning ordinance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's some more out in front.
yeah.
Yeah, it's just kind of a junkyard. But, no, we're proud of you. We're real proud of you.
Yes, nice.
Based on where you were before you started doing these cars, this is really good.
I'm moving up, I guess. It's quantity over quality here
Yeah,
at
huh?
Monkey Wrench
You
Mike.
taking a picture of that dog's ass?
Well, yeah, both of them right now.
Right there.
That looks good. You ought to film the inside. This is an accomplishment. I want you to see if this works.
The sunroof?
Yeah.
Let's sit inside. Let's see if it works. I think I have the key. I think Tom wants this car. I think so. We'll see what happens. It'll be a tough sell. He's going to try to screw me on the price, but we'll see. Okay. 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 So we're going to try the sunroof. So let me get the sunroof in there. Okay. You want to push that backwards and see what happens?
Oh, it does. Oh, yeah.
Keep going.
Oh, okay.
It needs,
There
okay,
we are.
it goes up. Okay. Now see if it'll just,
Oh, now
oh,
go back.
come on,
Here we
come
go.
on.
Come on.
Keep trying.
Mm.
Okay, let go and try it again. Yeah, it just needs to get
You need a little grease.
lubricated.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put your finger up there, I'll see if I can close it.
Oh, now it goes up. That's the neat
Okay.
thing. Yeah, it goes up in the back,
Yeah.
so you can go down the highway of this.
So if you're hot boxing, you can
Well,
you
no,
can let the
No, your marijuana.
can let-
your marijuana smoke will go up this.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know what hot boxing is?
No.
You haven't heard that?
No.
That's when two really cool kids like you and I sit in a car. We
Right.
close the doors,
Right.
we close all the windows,
Right.
and we smoke our marijuana,
Oh.
and then it fills up with smoke, and it gets hot, and that's called hot boxing.
So it deteriorates your brain faster?
I think so.
Great. That really
Yeah.
makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. How many years in law enforcement?
Enough
Many?
enough to let me to convince me that people are dumber than I thought.
I'm gonna let them revisit the Bummer Beamer. Check out my mom's boots. Aren't those cool? Very, very cool.
Oh, there it is. It's like old home week, Mom.
Yeah.
It's like we raised your child.
Yeah. What
that piece of junk that was in our driveway all that time. This is
He doesn't mean junk. He really likes it.
this is
No, I think he means junk.
Wow.
Yeah.
well, it's
Do you remember?
it's a Beamer, which is a little low class, but
Yeah.
it's all right.
It's okay. Mom, you want to come back to the front? Hold my hand here. There's a jack right there.
Okay.
I need to be more
Well, you don't have a
careful with my tools and
blind mama around.
junker cars. So, yeah. Okay. Remember how much fun this was to try to start?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Has it ever
Okay.
started?
Oh, yeah.
Has
I
it?
drove it in here. But it was creaking like crazy. And what I'm doing, hey, buddy! Say hi. Say Monkey Wrench Mike.
No.
Great. Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
So don't say
That's-
monkey wrench Mike.
It's my favorite grandson right there. Yeah.
Wrenches all morning.
Okay, you've been using wrenches all morning?
Yeah.
What cars have you been fixing?
White ones. And
Oh.
black ones.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
We'll fix the
Yep.
silver one out there, okay? Okay. Yeah. So,
Well, that-
we have a problem here with this car.
Yes.
So, I've taken off the engine support or the engine cradle,
Yeah. Right.
okay?
Right.
Because it was a little damaged
Right. Oh, yeah.
in the accident.
I remember that.
So to take that off, you got to put your engine support right there
Okay.
to hold it up because there's nothing holding it up from underneath.
Okay. Okay.
And that's where I am with this one.
Well, what do you mean? That's where you am. I mean, what are you doing?
Well, I got to put the cradle back in, and then I got to put it all back
so when
together.
that's going to happen.
Well,
Do
that's
we have a plan here?
that's my problem. I don't have a plan. I keep buying cars. Ethan, be careful.
I would suggest when you grow up that what you might want to learn to do.
When I
is
grow
have-
up, did
is
you get
have
that?
A little, a piece of paper, or you have one of those computer things, and you can have this is such and such a car,
Mm-hmm.
and here are the problems, and here's how I intend to solve each problem,
Uh-huh.
and my estimated cost,
Yeah.
and my estimated completion date.
Right.
So you can put a little bit of formality into your life instead of just floundering from one crummy car to another.
Do you remember what kind of an accountant I was?
Oh Lord, yes. You
See?
never could remember the debits on the left or the credits on the left. You never could remember.
Who cares?
Yeah, who cares? That was exactly the problem.
That was my problem.
Well, I'm sorry.
Uh-oh.
I'm sorry, but I'm afraid he takes more after me than he does anybody. That's my
Yep.
random thinking or scatterbrain thinking.
Yeah.
Because that's the way I think. Who cares?
Who cares?
Yeah, of course.
So that's-
Your mother's been under psychiatric care for decades. So.
What a wild and crazy artist.
That's it. Yeah, there you go. Because you think from the, what is it, the right side or the
Right
left side?
of your brain.
Right side of the brain. Okay.
Yeah. Whatever.
So she's right brain.
Yeah, and Tom's
You're left brain.
I'm
There
a-
we go.
I'm
Which
a-
makes a good mix.
I'm right. Period.
He says, give me the cop face. Okay. That's it. That's it right there. Yes, Ethan. What?
I have a problem
Uh-oh, what's wrong?
with
What?
that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, we'll have to go look at it in a second, okay?
I will.
Okay.
I think he was keying your car with that wrench.
He almost did this one right there. He actually almost did. Yeah, okay. Have you guys seen my white one, the old one?
No, really.
This one? This is called, I call this Janice.
Yes.
Janice Joplin.
Now, I've
It's a
seen that in your film.
1969.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you see the ghost in Janice? Have you seen the ghost?
The ghost.
There's a ghost.
I got my
Do you see? Oh, if you look through the camera, that is a person and it is scary. You see it right there?
What kind of is, isn't it?
No, but look here. Look through the camera. Look at that.
Oh, it really is in the camera.
Isn't that weird?
I want to
That
see
is
it.
cool.
Yeah. So, Mom, what's going on is there's some dust and everything in the hood liner, and there's like a hole that looks like an eyeball and another hole that looks like a mouth. And through the camera, it really looks like a ghost. It's scary
Oh, no.
looking.
Yeah.
And of course, this is the car that the owner died,
Oh, that's right.
and then it went to his daughter, and she died, so it went to her husband. And the joke is he didn't want to die, so he sold it to me. Have you seen my AMG?
No.
Have you seen this one? This is a new one.
Come here.
This one's actually a really nice car.
I'm impressed with that white.
The white one? Yeah, that's a
320.
that's a beautiful one. This is a 2001 S500, so it has the bigger engine. It's a faster car that I got. And the inside, here, you want to see what it's like to live large? Here, sit in this one. Okay. There we go.
Whoa. Oh, jeez. So you just take a nap as you're driving down the road?
Yeah, and it'll massage your booty too, your butt and your back.
That's my woman right there. You don't want to be talking that way.
Don't give him ideas.
Does your Ram truck do that?
I can't tell you everything my Ram truck do, but you know it is a Hemi. Hemis will do anything.
Oh, okay, that's not a COVID cough. That was me just laughing. Yeah, but that's it. And then that Beamer over there.
Yeah, I'm not into your Beamers. Sorry.
Which of these is your favorite? I think you guys kind of like that one.
Definitely the 320.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely. And you know, Christmas is coming. Huh? You know.
It is coming.
You know, if you love your mother, that's just up to you.
Yeah. Like I
I
can
got
drive.
one round.
We'll let her drive. You want to take it for a test spin?
Yeah, let me drive.
Okay. Yeah.
She drives by feel.
It'd come back looking like the black one, what's all
Yeah.
dented and beat up.
Yeah.
That's what would
That's all.
happen.
What, son?
I wanted one.
What?
One down.
You like that one?
Yeah,
Okay.
this white one.
Okay.
White one.
Yeah.
He knows
Don't-
his colors.
He's
Don't
good
put
with the
your hands
colors.
on
Yeah.
that. That's your grandmother's car.
All right, you guys going inside?
Yes.
Okay. Say goodbye to the Monkey Wrench Mike channel.
Thanks for the
Hey.
tour. Thanks
Yeah.
for the tour.
Been good to see you folks.
All right.
Now keep putting that like button or whatever it is you do on that deal. 'Cause-
And subscribe. Tell them to
yeah.
subscribe.
Oh yeah, subscribe,
subscribe.
And don't forget
Bring-
to tell Monkey Wrench Mike that instead of freeloading on his folks, so he could actually cut us in for some of the action. All right.
And with that, they walk back in the house.
Oh, happy Thanksgiving.
And happy Thanksgiving.
Ethan, what are you doing? Okay.
You fix that good. See, close it and see if it'll close right. Look at that. Good job. Oh, he actually did. Okay, let's not take that off because then I can't open the door. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let's leave it like that. Okay, we gotta tighten them up so I can close it. Can you do it the other way so it's tight?
Yeah.
Put it back in. You know, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, is that it? Good job.